Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install SHAREit on your Windows operating system. SHAREit helps you transfer files between different devices. Alright, open up Microsoft Edge, double click on it. Typically we would search for SHAREit download, but this time we're just going to search for SHAREit and go to the website. Website is ushareit.com, so click on it. Do not click on any other one that says add, just click on the official website. Now while we're here, hover over to products and click on SHAREit, and then under Mac OS here, click on Windows, and then it's gonna run the executable download here. Alright, we typically will run it from here. However, close this out, go to your file explorer, click on downloads, and double click the executable. Click yes to grant permissions and click accept. Click next and click next to create a desktop icon, and click finish to launch SHAREit. It says share files fast with no internet connection. You can do accept as well, and this is just a guide here, you can skip it. So this is SHAREit for you. You can use a QR code and you can search hotspot of mobile as well. Okay, it created the desktop icon for us, and if you wanted to pin it here at the text bar, right click and pin to text bar. Okay, this is SHAREit. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel from the team here at Install Easy. See you next time.